monitoring the movement dito sa seas natin. And so, syempre, pag meron tayong nakikitang hindi maganda or violative na, then one of the measures is syempre yung sa DFA, yung diplomatic protests natin. But at the very least, if all of those are parang kumbaga monitored, if they are reported, then at least meron tayong system or mechanism na kung saan na monitor natin sila at na document natin. So I think documentation also is key here, and it will serve a purpose for us perhaps in the future or in the present, no? But yung serious documentation of these what we believe are